Hi children, how are you all? So after 1 week we are meeting. So after 1 week we are starting our usual online class. So before getting to the class, let us watch a song.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
Mom got me a new dog who loved to do math. She count up in the shower and down in the bath. Really a great dog, she really loved action. Our only mistake, we named her Subtraction. My 10th birthday was here. My cake was real sweet, sitting out on the table. This couldn't be beat. We added 10 candles, that's 1 for each year. Mom said 1 for good luck makes 11, my dear. I went to play outside, but make no mistake, I returned and saw something was wrong with my cake. I counted the candles and counted again. 1 candle was gone, what remained was just 10. 11 minus 1, that's 10. 11 minus 1, that's 10.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
Just where had it gone? Where could that candle be? When I finish the story, then maybe we'll see. My candle was gone, but my birthday still rocked, and my party was soon with my friends from the block. I went to play outside, but make no mistake, I returned and saw something was wrong with my cake. I counted the candles on the cake, on the plate. 2 candles were gone, what remained was just 8. 10 minus 2, that's 8. 10 minus 2, that's 8.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
Who is taking my candles? My big brother Ben?
No.
I needed 10 candles to celebrate 10. I really liked math, I was really just wishing my candles had fun by doing addition. I went to play outside, but make no mistake, I returned and saw something was wrong with my cake. I counted the candles, 3 more disappeared, only 5 candles left. This was kind of real weird. 8 minus 3, that's 5. 8 minus 3, that's 5.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
5 candles left, that's 10 cut in half, and I saw something silly that made me just laugh. Do you know what it was? I think that I saw some red and blue candles and subtractions from Pa. I went to play outside, but make no mistake, I returned and saw something was wrong with my cake. I counted the candles for bye, only 1 candle left, like 1 dot on an eye. 5 minus 4, that's 1. 5 minus 4, that's 1.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
A single blue candle, this wasn't too fun. I had more birthday candles to celebrate 1. 1 birthday candle was really quite sad. I didn't know what to do, but I knew this was bad. I went to play outside, but make no mistake, I returned and saw something was wrong with my cake. No candles left, no Nuka, not 1. Now what kind of birthday had this day become? 1 minus 1, that's 0. 1 minus 1, that's 0.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
I saw that Subtraction outside by my ball, and her mouth was a plate. And that wasn't all, on the plate was a cake. She baked it herself, and she found some pink icing up high on the shelf. She baked me her own cake, and I laughed without stop when I saw all my candles right on her cake's top. She'd used all 11 were there. Now my birthday was great, sweet joy filled the air.
Subtraction, minus, hey, what you gonna make smaller today? You start with 2, and now there's 1. Subtraction never misses, a takeaway fun.
So now I can see the smiling face of yours. So what we learned in the last class, we started our subtraction, chapter 3 subtraction we already started. So in that first class we finished only 1 class of subtraction. So in that class what we studied? We started subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Subtraction of 4-digit number without regrouping, and their word problems also we studied. So how will we subtract? Subtraction means what? taking away. Subtraction means taking away. So we studied the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So in this class we will study the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping, and there were problems also we have to study. So let us start the class. So now we will study the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. So look here, one problem I wrote on the board. 4235 minus 1246. So from where we will start the subtraction problem, from where we start the calculations? From the ones place. We will start from the ones place. So tell me, which are the numbers in the ones place? Which are the numbers? 5 and 6. So we have to subtract 5 minus 6 we have to do. We have to do 5 minus 6. So tell me, is it possible we can take 6 from 5? Is it possible? We can take 6 from 5? No. Because what? Because 5 is the smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So we are not able to take 6 from 5. 6 from 5. 5 is the smallest number and 6 is the biggest number. So we are not able to take 6 from 5. So what we will do? So we will take the next number 3. So we have to take 1 from here. That is the tens place number. We have to take 1 from here. So when 1 will go to this side, then this 3 will become 2. 3 will become 2. And this 1 will become 15. 1 will become 15. This we are not able to take 6 from 5. That's why we are borrowing 1 from the next number, next digit. That is here the number is 3. When we are taking 1 from 3, this 3 will become 2 and this 5 will become 15. That is we are taking tens. 1 tens we are taking. That's why I wrote the 1 here. That is in the tens place. So here the number become 15 and this 3 will become 2. Now we are able to subtract 6 from 15. No, because 15 is the biggest number and 6 is the smallest number. So now we are able to take 6 from 15. So what is 15 minus 6? What is the answer of 15 minus 6? Tell me what is the answer of 15 minus 6? Yes, it is 9. What is the answer? 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. So next number. Next we have to subtract 2 minus 4. That is the tens place number we have to subtract. 2 minus 4. So is it possible to 2 minus 4? Is it possible to subtract 2 minus 4? No, it is also not possible because 2 is the smallest number and 4 is the biggest number. So what we have to do? Tell me what we have to do. We have to borrow 1 from the next digit, next place. So here the number is 2. Then tell me 2 will become what? 2 will become 1. 2 will become 1 and this 2 will become 12. This 2 will become 12. So now we are able to subtract 4 from 12. Now we are able to subtract 4 from 12. So tell me what is 12 minus 4? 12 minus 4 is? Yes, tell me 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. So now next one. Next also we are not able to subtract 2 from 1. 2 from 1. 1 is the smallest digit and 2 is the biggest digit. So again we have to borrow 1 from the other next place. So here the next place, thousands place number is 4. Now tell me 4 will become 3. 4 will become 3 and this 1 will become 11. 4 will become 3 and that 1 will become 11. So now 11 minus 2 what? What is 11 minus 2? 11 minus 2 is 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then last step, thousands place, which are the numbers now? 3 and 1. 3 minus 1. So tell me what is 3 minus 1? So it is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what answer we got? 2000. Tell me How will we read this number? 2989. 2989. So this is the steps that way we will get the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. That is, we are not able to take the subtract 6 from 5, then we have to borrow 1 from the other place. Like that way we have to do this subtraction. So we will watch 2 more examples of subtraction with regrouping. So now we will look 2 examples of 4-digit subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So first problem is 5436 minus 3834. 5436 minus 3834. So first we have to subtract 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is what? 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then again the next step is tens place. We have to subtract the tens place numbers. What are the tens place numbers? 3 and 3. That is 3 minus 3 we have to do. 3 minus 3 is what? 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then next number what? Next is hundreds place. What are the numbers? Which are the numbers in the hundreds place? 4 and 8. So 4 minus 8 is what? 4 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 8 from 4? No. It is not possible to subtract 8 from 4. So what we have to do? What we have to do? Tell me. We have to borrow 1 from 5. Next number is the thousands place number is 5. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. So this 5 will become, then the 5 will become 4 and this 4 will become 14. 4 will become 14. Now we are able to subtract 8 from 14. So 14 minus 8 is what? Tell me, 14 minus 8 is what? 14 minus 8 is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 4 minus, next is thousands place. Which are the numbers? 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is the answer? 1602 is the answer. That is, we subtracted 3834 from 5436. This is the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Next, 8764 minus 6180. So we will start from the ones place. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is what? 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Then next is 6 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 8 from 6? No, it is not possible to subtract 8 from 6. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from this 7. That is the next hundreds place number. So 7 will become, tell me, 7 will become 6 and 6 will become 16. 6 will become 16. Now we are able to subtract 8 from 16. 16 minus 8 is what? 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Next numbers, next hundreds place numbers we have to subtract. So what are the numbers? Which are the numbers in the hundreds place? 6 and 1. So tell me, 6 minus 1 is what? 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, last thousands place numbers. Which are the numbers in the thousands place? 8 and 6. 8 minus 6 is what? 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So what is the answer? 2584. 2584 is the answer. So here we subtracted 6180 from 8764. That is the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with the regrouping. I think all are understood how to subtract the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with the regrouping. So in this problem we have also the word problems also we have to study. That word problem I will show you through the help of the slides. So let us watch the slides and you can get clear idea about the word problems of 4-digit numbers with the regrouping. So I told you we will explain the word problems through the slides. So here the first question. A shop has 5,437 toy cars. Of these, 2,675 are sold. How many toy cars are left there? So that is the question. So for a word problem, what we have to write first? We have to write the steps. So what step we will write here first? Number of toy cars. Number of toy cars. So how what is that? 5,437. 5,437 toy cars are there. Then next step is number of toy cars sold. So what is the answer of that? 2,675. 2,675. So then next last step we have to find the number of toy cars left there in the shop. So last step we will write like this: number of toy cars left. Number of toy cars left. So what is that? 5. So we have to subtract 2,675 from 5,437. So we will subtract and we will get the answer 2,762. So how many toy cars left there in the shop? 2,762. So how will we subtract this? How will we subtract 5,437 minus 2,675? So from the ones place, 7 minus 5 is 2. Then next 3 minus 7, it is not possible. So we will take 1. We will borrow 1 from the next number 4. So 4 will become 3 and that 3 will become 13. Then 13 minus 7 is 6. Then that 4 became 3. Then 3 minus 6 again it is not possible. So we will take 1 from 5. Then that 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. Then again 13 minus 6 is 7. Then last thousands place 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 2,762. Next we have to study the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with zeros. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers with zeros. Next we have to study subtraction of 4-digit numbers with 0. So here one question is question I wrote here. So we will look the question. 6,040 minus 2,517. 6,040 minus 2,517. So here first we have to start from the ones place. So which are the numbers in the ones place? 0 and 7. So we have to subtract 0. It is not possible to take 7 from 0. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from this 4. Then 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become we are taking the tens place number, so 0 will become 10. 0 will become 10. Now we are able to subtract 7 from 10. So tell me 10 minus 7 is what? 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. So next here the number is 3. So 3 minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2. Then next again the same way 0 minus 5. We have to subtract 0 minus 5. 5 from 0 it is not possible. So we have to take 1 from this 6. Then 6 will become 5 and again this 0 will become 10. 0 will become 10. Then 10 minus 5 is what? Tell me 10 minus 5 is what? 10 minus 5 is 5. Then next number thousands place. Which are the numbers in the thousands place? 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 5 minus 2 is 3. So what is the answer? 3,523. So we subtracted 2,517 from 6,040. So we got the answer 3,523. So we will look one more example of this type of problem. So now we will look one more example of that type of subtraction. So here the question is 8,604 minus 4,583. So first here we have to start from the ones place. 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next we have to subtract the tens place numbers. Which are the numbers in the tens place? 0 and 8. Which are the numbers in the tens place? 0 and 8. So 0 minus 8, is it possible to subtract 8 from 0? No. It is not possible to subtract 8 from 0. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 from this 6. We have to take 1 from the next number, next place, that is here in the hundreds place the number is 6. So we have to take 1 from this 6. So 6 will become, tell me 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is what? 10 minus 8 is, tell me, what is 10 minus 8? 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. The next number 5. Here also 5. So 5 minus 5 is what? 5 minus 5 is 0. So any number, if we subtract the number from that number itself, we will get the answer as 0. We will get the answer as 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 8 minus 4 is what? 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So what is the answer? 4021. What is the answer? 4021. So we subtracted 4583 from 8604. So we studied the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with zeros. How we will subtract when 0 comes, that we studied. So this type of problem, there is also word problems. So word problems we will explain through the help of the slides. So you can watch the slides and I will explain how we will subtract the 4-digit numbers with the zeros and the steps, how we will write the steps of that word problem. So you can watch the slides and you can easily understand how to do the word problems. So we will explain word problems through the slides. The first question is, there are 4,708 houses in a town. 2,556 houses are painted blue. How many houses are painted? How many houses are not painted blue? So first we will write steps for the word problem. So what will we write first? Number of houses. Number of houses is 4,708. Then next step we will write as number of houses painted. Number of houses painted. So how many houses painted in color blue? 2,556. Then so what we have to find? We have to find how many houses are not painted. So last step we will write as number of houses not painted. Number of houses not painted. So how will we get the answer? We have to subtract 2,556 from 4,708. 4,708. So we will subtract 4,708 minus 2,556. So what is 8 minus 6? 8 minus 6 is 2. Then 0 minus 5, it is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from 7. So that time 7 will become 6 and that 0 will become 10. Then now we are possible to subtract 5 from 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 6, that 7 became 6. 6 minus 5 is 1 and last 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer? 2,152. So what is the answer? 2,152 houses are not painted in color blue. So what we studied in this class? We studied subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping, and we studied the word problems of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. And next what we studied? We studied the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with zeros. So we studied how if there is 0 in the number 4-digit number, then we studied how to subtract a number from 0. By borrowing only we can subtract a number from 0. So that also we studied, and the word problems also we studied of that type. Then now I have to say something. So you have to study well subtraction. Just we started subtraction, and the second class of subtraction we just covered the portions 4-digit numbers with the regrouping, and the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with the zeros. So you have to do the problems, then only you can understand the subtraction of 4-digit numbers, and you have to do the worksheet, that is I am giving as the textbook exercises, and you have to attend the class test also. So you have to take care, and you have to attend the class, and you have to study well. Take care. Bye bye.